Picture the ultimate tech industry dream for 2026. The Zero Human Company. An organization replaces its engineers and middle managers entirely with AI, leaving the software to run the business completely autonomously. Let's imagine a fictional startup called YOLO Corp. They've just laid off half their staff to let AI take the wheel. Almost immediately, their development speed breaks records, and every executive dashboard turns a reassuring shade of green. In the past decade, when companies experimented with radical management structures, the fallout was obvious. When Zappos adopted a bossless system called holacracy, employee satisfaction collapsed, and the resulting chaos was highly visible and impossible to ignore. AI system failures operate completely differently. Because they don't complain or show stress, they present catastrophic errors with the exact same calm, structured confidence they use to report routine metrics. And that is the trap YOLO Corp has fallen into. The company is already doomed, but nobody inside the building knows it yet, because their automated systems are actively hiding the collapse. The implosion starts in the engineering department with a practice called vibe coding. YOLO Corp's remaining employees rapidly prompt AI to generate features, run them through automated tests, and push them directly to production to keep their velocity high. This creates a severe organizational crisis, known as dark code. This is software running live on the servers that technically works, but absolutely no human on the payroll understands what it does, why it does it, or how to trace the logic when it inevitably breaks. This flowchart illustrates the operational fix, a comprehension gate. A human must document the feature requirements first, creating spec-driven development. This strict specification serves as both the exact blueprint for the AI and the grading rubric the agent must pass. To deal with their rotting dark code, YOLO Corp deploys autonomous AI agents. They treat these bots like simple plug-and-play tools that will automatically clean up the mess in the codebase. To run enterprise AI agents reliably, you need a 6-layer stack: secure compute, agent identity, memory, tool integration, billing, and orchestration. YOLO Corp patched together the first 5 layers using APIs, but completely ignored that final, complex 6th layer of orchestration. Without an orchestration layer, there is nothing managing how these bots interact. You have absolutely no standard merge queues for code, no conflict resolution protocols, and no financial boundaries to limit agent spending. This results in agent sprawl. Multiple rogue bots run completely wild, burning through server cache and endlessly overwriting each other's work without any supervision. Treating these raw infrastructure primitives like finished software doesn't give you leverage. It means your autonomous agents will automate and scale your internal chaos far faster than your actual product. With the code rotting and the servers melting down, you have to ask why the CEO hasn't stepped in to stop it. That happens because YOLO Corp installed a world model, a living, always updated piece of software designed to replace middle managers. This is a real management philosophy gaining traction right now. Block's Jack Dorsey recently outlined a blueprint for this, proposing an AI model built purely on high-fidelity business exhaust, like clean financial transactions. This pipeline shows the fatal flaw in YOLO Corp's world model, failing to draw the boundary between routing facts and making editorial judgments. It cannot distinguish correlation from causation, suppressing critical alarm bells by mislabeling severe structural failures as seasonal anomalies. Automating the logistical routing of information is relatively easy. But automating the judgment of what that information means will quietly destroy your organization's grip on reality. The inevitable result is that YOLO Corp officially goes bankrupt, leaving the CEO staring at a completely green AI dashboard that insists everything is executing perfectly. Utilizing AI purely for speed, without enforcing human comprehension at every step, creates a dangerous illusion of competence that masks terminal rot inside the business. The true competitive advantage for companies navigating this landscape in 2026 is stack literacy. That means developing a deep foundational understanding of exactly which layers of your AI infrastructure actually work and which ones you are blindly trusting. Leaders must intentionally design human boundaries back into their workflows. You have to build strict comprehension gates before any code is generated, and force your systems to clearly label when they are making a guess versus stating a hard fact. If you fail to put adult supervision and structural guardrails back into your development cycle, your company won't end with a dramatic crash. It will just quietly filter itself into oblivion.